Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Pan-seared shrimp is a fantastic, versatile dish you can whip up in minutes, perfect for a quick weeknight dinner or an elegant appetizer. Today, we'll walk through the simple steps to achieve perfectly cooked, tender, and juicy shrimp, right in your own kitchen. You'll learn the secrets to avoiding rubbery shrimp, ensuring a delicious meal every single time. It's much easier than you might think. Before cooking, proper preparation is key. If using frozen shrimp, thaw them completely under cold running water or overnight in the fridge. Once thawed, peel and devein them, removing the shells and any dark vein. Then pat them dry with a paper towel. This step is crucial for a good sear. Finally, season your shrimp well with salt, pepper, garlic powder, or your preferred blend. Now let's get the pan ready. Use a large skillet, preferably cast iron or stainless steel, ensuring it's big enough to hold all your shrimp in a single layer. Add a tablespoon or two of a high-heat oil, like avocado or vegetable oil, or a knob of butter. Heat the pan over medium-high heat until the oil just begins to shimmer, but isn't smoking. This ensures a beautiful sear on your shrimp. Carefully place your seasoned shrimp into the hot pan in a single layer. Avoid overcrowding. If you have a lot of shrimp, cook them in batches. Let them cook undisturbed for about 1 to 2 minutes per side. You'll know they're done when they turn a beautiful pink color, become opaque throughout, and curl into a C shape. Overcooking leads to tough shrimp, so keep a close eye on them. Once your shrimp are perfectly pink and opaque, remove them from the pan immediately. You can squeeze a little fresh lemon juice over them for brightness, or toss them with a pat of butter and some fresh parsley or cilantro. Serve them right away as an appetizer or alongside pasta, rice, or your favorite vegetables. These pan-seared shrimp are incredibly versatile and truly delicious.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.